Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another product review. If you're a new one, then welcome. And guys, today we are going to talk all about face serum. It's like one of the most underrated product. Whenever it comes to face, we talk about which foundation should I apply, which concealer should I go for, but skincare, even in skincare, mostly we talk about moisturizer, but we tend to skip serum. But it's really one of the most important products, especially during winters when our skin feels too dry. Even I am one of the person, my alarm clock start ticking when it's like winter and my skin start feeling dry. So we will be talking all about serum today, and especially I'm going to review the Body Shop You Drop serum. This is not the first serum I'm using. I have used many other serums and Body Shop as well. I've used a different serum as well of the same brand, Body Shop. So I'll be making kind of a comparison as well. I'll even be telling you what are the things you need to keep in mind when you're purchasing a serum. So let's get started. So guys, before I start, let me tell you a little bit about my skin. My skin is like acne prone and it is a combination skin, and I have started using this serum for almost like more than 2-3 weeks now. If you want to know why do we need serum, how we need to apply the serum, everything in detail, do watch my previous video. I'll mention the link in description box, or I'll mention somewhere in the I button. So before this serum, I was using vitamin E oil based serum, and I still want to go back to this serum because I like this more and this less. Now let's talk about first this serum, Drop of Youth serum. So this is basically, I bought it and later on I found when I started checking its ingredient that it is alcohol based serum, and this serum has even unnecessary fragrance. So these are the two things which you have to keep in mind, that especially when you're checking the ingredients, the way they are listed, that is amount of quantity that has been used in making this product. So अगर वो सबसे ऊपर पे है, if it's in the starting, that means the maximum amount of that product has been used, and if it's in the end, the least amount it has been used. So initial की कुछ lines में I can see, let me check the outside box. I'm so happy that I kept this box because I found later on that initially only in the product detail, alcohol denate, benzyl alcohol. So in the initial lines only it was mentioned that alcohol has been used, and I could feel it, I could sense it after applying it. So कुछ टाइम के लिए आपको फ्रेश सी फीलिंग आती है, लेकिन उसके बाद आपकी स्किन ड्राई फील करने लग जाती है. ओके, एंड इट हैज परफ्यूम स्लैश फ्रेगनेंस. You always have to remember this one thing, जब भी आप स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट परचेज कर रहे हैं उसमें unnecessary fragrance नहीं होनी चाहिए. So this is one of the thing I felt, that this has fragrance unnecessary, this has too much alcohol in it. And if I talk about other things which company is claiming and what is my personal experience of using it, the first is skin appears fresh. Yes, it does. Smoother. Yes, it does. More supple. No. After applying this serum, I don't feel supple. Even after applying the serum, the third step is applying moisturizer. Still my skin doesn't feel, मतलब वैसी feeling नहीं आती है जैसे मुझको feeling आती थी after applying this oil based serum. And maybe अगर मैंने ये use नहीं किया होता तो I would have felt this is good, but because I have used something which was better than this, so I felt no. Pore looked refined, lines appear smooth, so I cannot give surety of this that pore refined हो गए, that I'll come to know later on in my life. But as such, I cannot claim on this right now. Skin feel fresh and bounce and healthier. Yes, I do feel fresh after applying this. Obviously, it's alcohol based, so you feel fresh after applying this. But feeling supple, feeling soft, not much. So I have already uploaded the review of the previous Body Shop serum which I was using. This is your vitamin E Body Shop serum, and I'll mention the link in description box or here somewhere in the I button if you want to watch the review of this product. Still, I'll go for this product again. I'm planning once this will finish, I will buy this serum again because I like this more. Now, if you all must be wondering that if I was liking this serum, why have I switched to another one? I don't want my skin to get adapted to this. I wanted to try something new. That's why I went for same brand's different one. To my surprise, no, it didn't work for me. And now let's talk about the other details. This is like 50 ml and it's a high-end product. It's pretty costly. It's for 3,595 rupees and its shelf life is 2 years. So now guys, if I tell you the secret behind my long lasting serum, that how my this little bottle of like 30 ml lasted for almost a year now, because I don't use it all the time. So what is the main purpose of using the serum was to make my skin look supple. Especially I use it when I have to go out and I'm shooting, because then I can't apply oil. It will make my skin very sticky. Otherwise what I usually do is I apply some oil if I have to, especially during winters. I'll apply a coconut oil or something, and then my skin is like, this is what little jugaad you can do to keep your skin moisturized and to keep your skin's elasticity good. You can apply any good oil whichever suits you. Like I apply coconut oil that suits my skin, and rather than applying a serum, this is how I save on my serum. I apply this only when I have to go out or I am doing makeup. So to protect my skin from the harsh chemicals, make a base of serum on my skin. So what is the base and how you are supposed to apply serum and the total skincare, I'll mention the link of that video in description box. Do watch that out, and if you have anything to ask related to this product, you can mention that in comment section. I will definitely revert back. And yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope this review will be helpful to you. I came up with this review so soon, just after like 3 weeks of using it, because I was not very happy with this. So I was like quite eager to share it with you, because I have already made my mind to not use it again. So I even don't want you to buy it. Yeah, you can try it, but try a small bottle of it. Don't go ahead with a 50 ml. This is my personal experience. So yeah guys, next time again I'll catch you with some honest review. You can watch my honest product playlist if you want to watch more of such videos. So more of such videos. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If you watched this video so far, please hit the like button, leave a sweet comment. That will make my day. I'll catch you next time with some other story. Till then, you take care of yourself, you stay fit and stay happy. Ta-da-da.